First consonant. Find. Freedom. Symphony. Finally. Laugh. Rough. Family. Telephone. Afford. I can't afford a new car. Refuse. He refused our proposal. Photograph. You look prettier in person than you do in your photograph. Laugh. Don't laugh at my poor English. Failure. Success comes after many failures. Stuff. Leave my stuff alone. I told you not to touch it. Do you feel like a physical wreck? Are you fed up with your feeling of fatigue? Have you had enough of feeling rough? Why don't you find fever, Farron's friend, a medicine that is tough on flu? Second consonant. Thine. Voice. Every. Leave. Aven. Travel. Glove. Evaluate. River. Alive. Clever. You're so clever. I am proud of you. Value. I value your friendship. Review. Let's review the last lesson before starting a new one. Positive. You must have a positive attitude. Effective. Do you know an effective way to learn English? Active. He lives a very active life. Feel. Veal. Safe. Save. Fat. That. Fine. Vine. Face. Vase. Fan. Van. Foul. Vowel. Proof. Prove. A famous athlete. A food vendor. The Foreign Service. Summer vacation. Vocabulary test. Over the rainbow. Our first victory. Harvard University. Husband and wife. Very well done. Her promotion in the firm was well deserved. There was only one survivor on the island. Steve noticed that the olive juice must have stained his sleeve. The street vendor was selling souvenirs to tourists. Dave gave me his car so that I could drive on New Year's Eve. There were several dents in the rear fender. Tom placed several tomatoes from the vine into a basket. Third consonant. Thank. Thick. Thunder. Thursday. Think. Thank. Thank you for being so thoughtful. Healthy. Nothing is more important than staying healthy, wealthy. Through thrift you will become wealthy. Mouth. The rumor passed from mouth to mouth. Truth. To tell the truth, you need me. Author. The author thought about his novel. Anything. Bath, bath mat. Toothpick. Athletic. Mouthwash. Bath. North. Beneath. Forth. South. Thread the needle. Throw the ball. My throat is sore. A thrilling ride. 3 more days. Yesterday he threw the ball. The king sits on the king sits on a throne. Last consonant. The, that, they, them, their, this, those, these. Clothing, leather, mother, another, weather, northern, smooth, bathe, breathe, breathe. At last we can breathe with ease. Bother. Can I bother you with another question? Northern. Do you prefer northern food or southern food? Weather. What was the weather like on your vacation? There. Is there anyone outside? Together. We planned to gather together this weekend. Selma arrived in town last Thursday. I'm having trouble threading this needle. I need 33 thick thermometers. The thing they like best about Athens is the weather. This thrilling novel was written by a famous author. He will be through with his work at 3:30. Now and then she likes to buy new clothing. They thought they were going to northern Spain. Which tablecloth shall we use for the party? That was their 33rd theatre to open. Nurse Thatcher was thankful it was Thursday. She knew that on Thursday she had to deliver 33 boxes of thermometers to the North American Athletic Club. They thought that thermometers were necessary for testing the hydrotherapy baths. This was thought to benefit the athletes with arthritis. The athletic trainers required author, authorization to provide hydrotherapy to the youthful athletes on the 3 bulletin boards with some text throughout the athletic club. Rather than risk the health of the athletes. They, thought, they thoroughly checked the thousands of thermometers to ensure their worthiness. Otherwise, they needed to be thrown away. And good afternoon, everybody. I'm Lin, and today I'm very happy to be here to show you a secret: how to speak perfect English. Please don't think that learning English is too difficult. Everything can be mastered if you work hard and practice enough. You can speak wonderful English and have perfect pronunciation if you just remember that learning a foreign language takes time. Try to find a friend so that you can study and practice together. Don't bother worrying about your mistakes. Use tape Use tapes with charming voices and pronunciation. Always follow along and repeat after the speaker on the tape. It's important to make English learning a part of your daily routine, and you should take English as your food. Learn from every mistake that you make. Thanks.